Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your own beef bone broth. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial step is crucial for developing a rich, deep flavor in your broth. Next, arrange about 3 to 4 pounds of beef bones, such as marrow or knuckle bones, on a baking sheet. Roast them for approximately 30 to 45 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful, deep brown color, which indicates maximum flavor extraction. This roasting process truly elevates the final taste of your homemade broth. Now, transfer those beautifully roasted bones into a large stock pot. Pour in about 1 gallon of cold water, making sure the bones are completely submerged. Cold water helps to slowly extract collagen and nutrients. Next, add your aromatics, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks, roughly chopped. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones. Bring it to a gentle simmer, but do not boil vigorously. This is where the magic happens. Let your broth simmer gently for a long time, ideally between 12 and 24 hours. The longer it simmers, the more nutrients and flavor you'll extract. Throughout this process, occasionally skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the surface to keep your broth clear. Once simmering is complete, carefully remove all the bones and vegetables. Finally, strain the rich liquid through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth for a perfectly clear broth. After straining, let your delicious bone broth cool completely at room temperature before storing. This prevents bacterial growth and ensures safety. Once cooled, transfer it to airtight containers. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, perfect for immediate use. For longer storage, freeze individual portions. It will last for several months. Now you have a versatile, nutrient-dense homemade beef bone broth ready to enhance your meals and support your well-being.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.